Celebrating a 50-year tradition of excellence at Bergen Community College, this is the two-time award-winning Studio Bergen. Hi, I'm Larry Levanka, and welcome to this month's countdown. Let's see what made the top 10.
Number 10.
Many of the institution's brightest young minds gathered late last month for the annual spring Phi Theta Kappa induction ceremony, recognizing the newest members of the Honor Society of two-year colleges. In recent years, the chapter has received recognition as one of the top 30 among more than 1,300 across the globe. Additionally, its student members have earned spots on the organization's International Board of Directors and other leadership positions within the Honor Society.
Number 9.
It's not every day that royalty visits Bergen, but that's exactly what occurred early last month when Princess Dr. Nisreen Bint El-Hahsemite and the granddaughter of the first king of Iraq visited. Dr. Hahsemite, a Harvard-educated doctor, scholar, and champion of science, represents a staunch advocate for women's rights and their work in the sciences. She has appeared before the United Nations and continues to work with the Royal Academy of Science International Trust and the Women in Science International League. She discussed why, in any field, teamwork remains paramount.
I succeeded in so many things, but I did not do it alone. Yes, I have the courage to go and speak and debate and etc. But as well, I have the support of my colleagues.
Number 8.
TEDx returned to Bergen once again last month, another in a run of highly successful events that have amassed 7 million views on YouTube. TEDx, a program of local, self-organized events that mimic the popular TED Talk series, features short discussions of 18 minutes or less on myriad subjects, such as speakers Aaron Painter, who discussed how listening can help create a better world.
Number 7.
For 36 years, the college's Child Development Center, located in Ender Hall at the main campus, has provided early childhood education opportunities for approximately 1,100 2 through 6-year-olds. It now ranks as one of only 7,500 in the entire nation to earn accreditation from the National Association for the Education of Young Children, a leading early childhood education professional organization. Center Director Sally Dionisio said the process showed the high-quality program's strengths.
We're doing the things that we're expected that a good high-quality program should be doing. The process, yes, it was extensive, but it helped us to grow tremendously.
To earn NAEYC accreditation, programs voluntarily commit to a self-study process that evaluates their effectiveness and quality in 10 key areas, including curriculum, teaching practices, and staff development. After affirming a program's quality and dedication to continuous improvement, evaluators grant the program a 5-year accreditation. Teacher Shyla Aldano believes the accreditors saw what the children see every day.
They love to come to school. They're happy, they have fun, they think they're playing, but as they're playing, they're learning on all the different areas, and they really make friends, they enjoy make relationships with the staff, and they have a lot of fun at school.
For those reasons, Dionisio said the program has developed a dedicated following.
Many of our alumni from the Child Development Center have gone through Bergen, and they come to visit us. So yeah, it's a journey to hopefully a successful education.
Those smiling children include current staff member Jolene Marut.
I went to Bergen Community College. I studied early childhood education. Sally Dionisio was my mentor as a student observer here in her classroom. And then, I came back to work here. My children have both attended here. So it's quality education all the way around. For me as the adult student to my children who were little students.
Director Dionisio is proud of the center's history.
I just see these children blooming and flourishing, and there's nothing better just to see them succeed and be happy. And when they come back and the parents are so proud to tell me what they're doing, and and when they say, well, they had their first education here and it made a big difference to them.
As a laboratory school, the center provides an on-campus observation, demonstration, field, and workforce training site for the college's students who use the center to fulfill their course requirements relating to child development. For more information or to schedule a visit, please call 201-447-7165.
Number 6.
With snow still on the ground, it seems like a great time to talk about summer and fall. Registration for summer and fall classes opened online April 1st, while in-person registration begins April 9th. 4 separate summer class schedules at the main campus in Paramus, Bergen Community College at the Meadowlands in Lyndhurst, and online include general education requirements such as English composition, general biology, and statistics ideal for transfer to many four-year colleges. Students can select from 4 different sessions of day and evening options, while the institution's in-county tuition rate of $142 per credit provides an affordable alternative to four-year schools. Fall classes begin in September. Visit bergen.edu to enroll.
Number 5.
The path for student Lindsay Janja to earn a spot in the 2018 Community College Summer Enrichment Program at the National Institutes of Health began in Kenya, her home, many years ago. Janja, an honors student whose parents both passed away due to HIV when she was 2 years old, has now been selected for the exclusive Summer Enrichment Program where she hopes to study the disease that claimed her parents' lives, a fact that surely made an impact on program evaluators.
I want to show them that I am motivated to perform research and find the cure for HIV and AIDS, for all these diseases, and make the kids out there who feel like the way I did, they should feel that they have hope for a better future, a future where there's no diseases, and if there is, we will have the cures for all these diseases. So I had to explain to them all my desires, and I think that's what they got captured by.
Professor Alan Alisu has become a mentor for Janja since having her as a student in his Success 101 class. He said she's a special student.
Lindsay was just very special. She actually performed better than most students. She wrote better than most students. She was very shy because she comes from Kenya, so she perceived that she had an accent that made it difficult for her to be understood, which in fact is not the case. But I could see that she was incredibly enthused with just about everything I said. So she really was like a sponge. Everything that I talked about, she was interested in.
Janja will participate in the 3-month summer enrichment program beginning in June, where she will have the opportunity to work full-time in a state-of-the-art research environment, learning modern research techniques, and she prepares for a career in neuroscience research. She also hopes to offer inspiration for others.
As long as you're confident and believe in yourself, know that you're smart and work hard, that's all that matters. Opportunities will be jumping right at you. You'll get so many ideas of what you want to do in your future, and just believe in yourself.
Number 4.
Another student making headlines this month is Elda Perry, a 2017 Coca-Cola Leaders of Promise Scholar, the New Jersey State President of Phi Theta Kappa, and 2018 Dream Scholar, who just learned she has earned a place as a Silver Scholar on the Coca-Cola 2018 academic team. A STEM student, she has been involved in many special projects, including a high-altitude balloon launch. She also currently leads the college's Enable program, helping develop prosthetic hands for disabled students using 3D printing. She's also working on a new type of trigonometry based on Fibonacci spirals called trigonometry.
What kind of inspired me for the actual project was instead of using trigonometry based on kind of limited between -1 and 1, the way sines and cosines are, I wanted it to go beyond that. And I thought that the way to do that was to use a spiral, the Fibonacci spiral. The reason why I chose that one is because it's everywhere in nature, and it's based on the golden ratio, and I feel like it would have a lot of applications, be it in genetical engineering, in botany, and a bunch of fields. And I've had feedback from professors here who have actually had trouble with, some spiral problems. And I do feel like spiral trigonometry would make it easier for people, just like hyperbolic trigonometry has.
Number 3.
As women's rights continue to come attack under the globe, Bergen once again took a stand in March as part of Women's History Month to say, not now, not then, and not ever, through a series of events and speakers. The month-long series began with adjunct professor Elise Wiggins' discussion on her book, A Farewell to Welfare, a type of playbook to assist non-traditional students and those struggling with issues beyond academics. She discussed with us why she wrote it.
When I first started teaching, I was only 6 months out of the classroom myself. Okay, so then my entire personal life fell apart. So everyone that I was advocating for, the homeless, the students who were hungry, it became my reality. And I said, my God, what happened? Like, what was I doing? And I heard a message that said, Elise, you're going to get out of this, and then you're going to get back and teach others how to do the same. So that's the book, A Farewell to Welfare.
Attention then turned, with the college's 50th anniversary as a backdrop, to former coach and professor emeritus Dr. Rosemarie Battaglia, who earned entry into the National Women's Basketball Hall of Fame. A recognition event at the college, which featured contests with current and former student athletes, honored Dr. Battaglia's legacy, which includes 4 NJCAA Final Four appearances and 38-year career. She shared with us her favorite memories.
I certainly enjoyed teaching. Secondly is when we went to the Nationals, and we were the only non-scholarship team playing in the Final Four. And one year we came out third, and another year we came out fourth. So I think that was a credit to our team and the players.
And finally, a panel discussion with some of the foundational women leaders from the college's past 50 years, such as Board of Trustees Chair Carol Otis and former President Dr. Judith K. Wynn, reflected on the institution's history. We spoke with former President Dr. Wynn.
Across the country, there are local community colleges where women who are not able to travel great distances to be able to get a college degree can go to school, get their degree, be prepared for a job or just for some life enhancement, or prepared to, at some point, go to a 4-year college.
Number 2.
Over the last 50 years, more than 600,000 students have walked through our doors. At an April 12th open house for prospective students, the next generation of Bergen students will have the opportunity to do the same. In celebration of the college's 50-year tradition of excellence, Bergen will sponsor a comprehensive campus-wide open house Thursday, April 12th, from 3 to 7 p.m. at the main campus at 400 Paramus Road, featuring demonstrations, workshops, tours, exhibits, and opportunities for potential students and their families to explore all that Bergen offers. To RSVP, visit bergen.edu/open house or email admissions@bergen.edu. And that's not even the biggest event of the month.
Number 1.
With in excess of 200 names already on the guest list, more than a dozen event and table sponsors, prizes from donors such as the New York Giants, Hilton, and Lord & Taylor, the only question left is, have you bought your ticket yet? The college will celebrate its 50-year tradition of excellence during the anniversary's signature event, a scholarship gala, April 19th at the Venetian in Garfield. The event will include a full cocktail hour with an open bar and passed hors d'oeuvres. Guests will then enter the main room where the open bar will continue alongside the Venetian's lavish spread of entrees and delicacies. Live music, dancing, prizes, and college memories will help cap a celebration 50 years in the making. To purchase your ticket, visit bergen.edu/gala. And like I said, they're going fast, and I'll see you there. That wraps up our countdown for this month. We'll see you again in May with a complete recap of the gala and this month's other major events. For Bergen Community College, I'm Larry Levanka. Thanks, and take care.